I'm going to tell you why the Icon Flex Head Ratchet is going to be the rarest ratchet in the world. Alright, this is not an Icon, but the Icon Flexible Ratchet is said to have been defective because they did not lube it in here, so it's going to lock up. So what Harbor Freight is going to do is they're going to give you your money back and they're going to give you a ratchet. So now you've got money and a ratchet. You cannot beat that. That is doing the right thing. So they're going to give you your money back for the recalled ratchet and they're going to give you a ratchet. So you can't beat that. But they're all gone. All of them are gone. The rarest ratchets in the world. They're all gone. The reason why it's going to be the rarest ratchet in the world is because some people, everybody's going to take that ratchet back. They're going to take it back, they're going to get their money back, and they're going to get their free ratchet. But it's going to be another part number. So you see the part number that's on this thing down here? The part number. The old recalled part number, there's going to be very, very few of those. So mark my words. 50 years from now, when you're old and gray, that ratchet is going to be worth a lot of money. Therefore, it's going to be the rarest ratchet in the world. Now, my other Harbor Freight experiences you're about to witness. Can I get a witness? What you're about to see is one of my reporters out in the field. They had a Harbor Freight Icon Flex Head ratchet. And on the head of the ratchet, there was severe pitting. So they bring the ratchet back to the store. No question asked exchange, he gets another one, but then the next day he sees the defective ratchet back on the shelf. Blasphemy. Watch this.
The head's pitted. I just want to get another one.
Alright.
See right there?
Mhm.
It's like it was rusted or something before they put the chrome on it.
Alright,
All right. Oh. Okay. I'll be right back. That's it? All right. Thank you, ma'am. Take it easy. All right. Have a good one.
Oh well, we're back. We're gonna see what October surprise is inside. This, you know, outer space technology, people are starting to catch on. I've seen quite a bit of folks alluding to that, but we're gonna check it out. So let's see. Ooh, let's see here. There's a single socket on display. Looks like they're already sold out of quite a few of them. I was wondering if these are life size. Look how long these wrenches are here. 19 millimeter. So that would be that one up there. So no, these decals are not. It's about the casters, drawer construction. It's adjustable, so you can click this, I guess. It's even branded right here. Well, I didn't get any icon stuff, but I did get a couple of these. These are on clearance for $11, regular $30.